Hello everyone. So sometime last year I made a video where I talked about burning subtitles on your videos, and last year what I did, I wrote a script where I use Whisper to generate subtitles, and then I use ffmpeg to burn those subtitles to my videos. And I normally do that for my shorts which I create, and I have actually created a lot of shorts where somewhere on top I have this title, and then one more title, like basically writing something like a text on your video. And in my script I pass some arguments and I resize it. So basically the main thing that I want to talk about is the subtitle location. Now, as you can see here in my short, which I am, let me just play it for 1 second. So you can see that the subtitles are displayed in the center of this video. Now the thing is, this is possible because in my script, or basically the command that I'm using, ffmpeg, you can of course write your subtitles to the video, and you can do that using filter complex, which I have used, which I normally use for doing almost everything with ffmpeg. Now I'm doing few things. Number one, I'm passing the video, basically the name of the SRT file, which is same as the video name, and I'm then specifying here the font directory, the font name, font size, and the main thing here is the alignment. So this alignment is actually the most important thing if you want to position your subtitle. Now I did some search online, like if you're also trying to do the same thing, you will probably not find this in the documentation. It might be there in the documentation, but I think what I found, and that was actually really useful, was this particular page, or stack overflow page, where someone asked the same question, and there is a guy who did this wonderful illustration of what these numbers will do. So in my script, I think I'm using alignment 10, which is basically the center, and that is what I have here. If you look at my video, now this is great because based on this you can change this in your command, in your script, the parameter alignment. And when it comes to subtitles, you of course normally want to display it maybe in the center if it is a short, or maybe somewhere here in the bottom of your video if it is like a proper full HD kind of a video. So this is something that I thought I'll probably talk about because you might be struggling with this. And what I will do in this particular video description, I will share the link to this Stack Overflow page. So yeah, that is it. That is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye bye.